the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. The modern diesel power plant assures both clean emissions as well as maximum power output from as little fuel as possible. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. It includes power seats, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.